Hello friends, I am Kausik and today I am going to share with you how to draw the portrait or face of famous actress Tamannah Bhatia using easy steps. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and comment below regarding this video and press the bell icon to get the notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you.
Here, firstly, I draw a round circle according to the geometrical shape of the face. Initially, it is very important to understand the form and shape of the face. Then I mark the place where could be the both eyes. I draw another two small circles according to the both eyes and try to measure the distance between two eyes. Actually, to draw the exact character of eyes are very important for any portrait drawing, because eyes are the medium through which you can jump into anyone's mind easily. Thereafter, eyebrows, forehead, top of the hair, nose, and lips are being drawn one by one following the photo. While drawing all this part, I follow the distance between each part. You have to realize and observe the formation of every part of the face closely. To understand the formation, you can practice every part of the face like eyes, nose, lips separately. Here you can see gradually this round circle is being converted into the original structure of the face by dragging few lines following the form of the face. I started drawing of the neck and then below the neck once outlining of the face get completed. To get the better idea and to clear all the doubt, watch till end. In my next video, I will show you how to shade a portrait properly. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel to motivate me. Enjoy the video. Thank you.